Hello and good morning. Hey, I'm Laura and I am here today to share with you a really awesome app that Canva have integrated into the platform. So I'm going to head straight over to my Canva account and I'm going to show you exactly what this app does. Okay, so this is the overview page of this particular app, and it is using a design as an image within Canva. Now, normally, if you have a design and you want to add it into a frame or a grid, for example, you have to download it off of Canva onto your computer, re-upload it back into your design, and then put it into the frame and use it however you want. Now you don't have to. It's all integrated in Canva, and I'm going to show you how this is done. Okay, so here we are on my Canva home screen. Now you can find all of the apps in the app section over here, but I find this particular one is better to look at once you are already in a design. So I'm going to click on Create a Design, and I'm going to go for A4 portrait. We're just going to go for a basic A4 document. And in this document, I am going to add this template. Let's say this is an ebook that I've been creating and I want to upload these pages into a frame so I can then use them to promote this particular ebook that I've got on offer. So I'm going to add these in. Now, these are a combination of elements of text. They could have photographs in them. That one's got a photo. So all different bits and pieces from Canva have been added into one design so I can create this ebook. Now, normally what I would have to do is now hit share, download these onto my computer, go over to my new design, re-upload them and add them into my frames. But we don't need to do that anymore. There's a lovely, simple way of doing this in Canva. So I'm going to use these as an example. I'm going to head over to the app section and type in design to image. That's the one we want. It's this guy here, design to image. Okay, so I can only export one page at a time. So if I click convert image, it then brings up this next box here. So I can change the type. I'm going to leave it as a PNG. I don't want a transparent background, but you can have one if you want one. And I am going to just select one page to show you how we do this. You can select multiples if you want to, but you can only do one design at a time. And if I click export, Canva will do its thing. Okay, so now it's saying design to image has successfully uploaded my new design. So my image is here. Your image has been uploaded to your uploads folder. Click or drag it to add to a design. So I can now add it back into this design if I wanted to. It is now one complete image. I don't necessarily want to use it on this design, but I can use it now within other designs without having to leave Canva. So I've gone back to my homepage. Get rid of my menu there. And for example, let me go to this pack here. This is a new pack I've been working on. And within this, I will have, let me see if I can find one, this one here, for example. So if I take these photos out, I've now got a blank design. Now I am now saying to myself, oh, I've got that amazing ebook and I want to sell it and I want to get it out there. But how do I do that? I've used the design to image app. So if I now head over to my uploads, this is now an image, the one I just downloaded. I can now stick this. Obviously, you would have different pages. You wouldn't use all the same image on your design. But I can now use it as an image within other designs without having to leave Canva. And that is where I think this app really comes into its own. It is such a simple app to use. You go to your design, your original design, which was this one. I've created my ebook. I love my ebook, but I want to use it in other designs as a mock-up. I want to promote it. I want to have it as an image, but I don't want to have to download it. You go over to your design to image app, convert it into an image. It then goes into your uploads folder and you can then use it as you want. So that is really it. It's a super simple app, but it is a really, really good one. There we go. I really hope you've enjoyed that. It's just a super simple app, really, really effective. Is going to save a lot of time because I know myself, you have to pick all these different pages when you're creating mock-ups, you're downloading them, you're re-uploading them back into Canva, and it takes time. So this is a really, really, really good time-saving app. So that's me. I am Laura from the Business Design Academy. I'm also a Canvassador and a Canva creator. So please, please do come and follow my YouTube channel for all the different tips and tutorials and that I've got going on. Very much appreciated. I will see you in the next video.